Elliot Burn here. Today we're going to be burning a ball.
A nice
Elliot,
ball.
throw it in.
Oh jeez, this fire's really big.
I'll put it in.
Douse. Lift it up a bit.
Just get a better angle of that. Oh, it's the burning ball. Oh my! Look! If you, I don't know if you can see this, but at the bottom of the ball,
Everything is written on.
the out. Oh! Why? Oh my! I think it's just popped. Alright, we're going down, boys. We're going down. Oh no, it's deflating. A lot of black stuff coming off this. Burning plastic, so we're staying away from it because the wind's blowing that way. Right, so Elliot, does it burn?
Yeah, it burns.
Burns, and we're out.